taking a break from work. I've been having a long week since Monday started, so I decided to just take a little break from work. When you feel so exhausted mentally, physically, like your battery is over, it's drained, like a phone battery, there's no energy left. When you feel like that, you just want to take a break. And I've never felt this way, honestly. Like, I can't even lift a finger to do something at all. Is that called burnout? I'm not sure. But that's what I've been feeling. So I decided to take a little break. Yeah, I'm just watching these beautiful trees. Mango trees. Yeah, I've been seeing a lot of mangoes dropping. Ripe mangoes, very sweet. It actually makes me feel happy that we have some trees in the backyard. Other houses don't have that privilege. So we are very thankful to God for that we have some beautiful trees around our place. This beautiful Chanel perfume is called Gabrielle Essence Chanel Paris. It's made in Paris, if I'm not wrong. That's why it's there, the location. And the name itself is Gabrielle, and it's also essence. I think the feeling that it evokes is essence, and that's why we want to review this beautiful perfume. As you can see, I've used most of it. I'm almost finishing it. It was a gift from my aunt. My aunt loved the types of perfumes, especially Chanel perfumes, high-end perfumes. My aunts love them. So my aunt loves them, not aunts. My English, I said before, is not my first language, English. And if you find me talking in weird ways when I'm saying some things in English, don't worry. Just know that it's not my first language. So this beautiful Chanel perfume, I have been using it now for like 2 months, maybe 3 months, maybe 4 months, maybe, I'm not sure. I don't keep time. I don't know why. Like I don't keep track of months of what I'm doing. That sounds irresponsible, isn't it? But to be honest, I'm someone who doesn't focus so much on counting days, counting months. I hope I'm making sense. I use feelings, emotions to specify things. I don't use time or quantity. Yes, that's the word. I don't quantify things. I qualify things. Of course, with abstract feelings, like abstract things that evoke emotions. I measure with those. Okay? I don't measure with quantities. I hope I'm making sense. To be honest, I don't even know I'm making sense to myself, but what I'm trying to communicate is I am an artist. And as an artist, I base everything with how I feel. Yeah, that sums it up. So guys, this Chanel perfume, how I can measure it is when I first started using it, and 3 months or 4 months ago, I got this beautiful, sophisticated, cool, detached, powerful female essence when I used it. The first thing I noticed with this scent is it was like unapproachable. It gave the vibe of being unapproachable, like being a high-end woman, a business high-end woman who cannot be toyed with, a woman who knows herself, her business, who minds her business, and who has a go-getter energy, untouchable energy, sophisticated energy. That's the feeling I got when I first applied it. Maybe my perception comes from my aunt. My aunt is like that. That's how I see her. She's a high-end businesswoman, no doubt. She's unapproachable, no doubt. She is cold, no doubt. But inside, to be honest, when you get to know her, she's so loving and so soft. That persona, that face, that mask she puts on is a defense, maybe a protection. So, and that's what I get from this perfume. What I got from this perfume when I applied it the first time, maybe 3 months or 4 months ago. She is so generous, but the first time you meet her, you might think she's someone who's unapproachable, untouchable, powerful, cold, powerful woman, high-powered woman. Yeah, sophisticated lady who wears suits, who walks with heels, who is a business class level. That's how I felt, and that's how I still feel, but a little bit of it, because now my perception has changed since I have been using it for now 3 months or even 4 months. So the most ingredients that I found in this perfume, I felt in this perfume when I applied it, is it has this coolness to it, a little coolness, but majority of the scent comes from the deep ambery, like it's a mixture of the cool vibes and at the same time strong, deep, heavy, like aromatic smell, scent, vibe to it. It's definitely aromatic. It's definitely orchid, ambery. Like it's a deep, sensual, at the same time cool. I hope I'm making sense. That's what I got. And now, what I'm getting now it's definitely orchid, deep and heavy. I don't smell the cool, sophisticated vibe to it. Perhaps my nose has gotten used to it. Yes. You know, when you apply some scents for a long time, you get blind. Yes, you smell blind. Then your smell comes blind. You can't decipher in a fresh way. You only decipher it by, like, you've gotten used to it. So the scent that you have used for a long time becomes familiar to you, and now your nose will not detect anything new anymore. So you've become blind in a way. It's blind, okay? So that's what I got now. What I get now. Now what I'm feeling is I only have the smell of soft and heavy, deep orchid vibes. It's definitely a ambery. The color that comes to mind is amber, just like the way the perfume looks like. That color. When you smell this, when you apply it on your body, honey, you feel so ambery. You feel so like luxurious, supple. Your body is soft. You feel so like you're ripe. You feel so ripe, so luxurious, so clean. But that cleanness is not the cool type of vibe you get. You know, when you hear the word clean, you think of something green, yeah, cool, bluish. The color is blue, but this one, the cleanness comes from that deep, sweet, and ambery feeling. And that ambery feeling is definitely sensual. It's definitely luxurious, rich. I'm getting those vibes whenever I apply this. I feel so beautiful. And that's why I've gotten to I can't believe I'm almost finishing this. So I've realized my favorite type of scents They are orchid flowers. Orchids are very deep, they're very sweet, heavy, sensual. They feel soft, they feel sweet, warm. I forgot to mention warm, rich. It's definitely some oriental and orchid vibes here, and also amber. This perfume, majority of it is definitely amber and orchid, and that's why I'm saying it's deep and rich and luxurious. I think that's why it's called essence. It's just very essential. I've just interpreted the word itself, but to be honest, this beautiful scent is magnificent. It's luxurious, and I've gone through it like crazy. See? So this is all I can say about this beautiful scent, Gabrielle Chanel by Paris. Not by Paris, Gabrielle by Chanel, and it's an essence too. So guys, that's all for today. I'm going to finish my video, and I will see you in my next video. I love you. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, comment, and I'll see you in another beautiful session. Love you. Take care.